Welcome to the step 3 of the solar system activity. Now that we have learned to add planets and add the sun object, we are going to make this planet Earth move around the sun. So we know that all the planets in our solar system, they move around our sun, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to make this planet Earth move around the sun. We can do that using this block here that says move Earth around sun in 10 seconds. So we know that Earth moves around the sun in 365 days. That takes a year. But we are not going to make it say like 365 seconds. That's going to be a very long time. So we're just going to keep it as 10 seconds and just place this block here. Okay. And you can use this add 3D text block to personalize your universe. You will see that this add 3D text block is going to add a 3D text on top of this solar system. So you can make this 3D text say whatever you want. So I'm going to say welcome to my universe for now. And we can now expand this window and let's click on the green play button and see what's the output. So the moment I click on the green play button, you see the Earth starts moving around the sun. How easy. Okay, if you want to watch the Earth move around the sun more, you can click on this keep playing button. And you can see that the Earth keeps on moving around the sun, and it takes roughly 10 seconds to move around the sun. And you can see that we have a 3D text object available on the top of our system. Okay, so again, now if you have clicked on the keep playing button, then you will have to click on this next step button to move to the next step.